Hello friends, welcome back to the Strong Mindset Academy. In today's video, we are going to start a new subject, Operation Research, in which we will be providing you with handwritten notes. In today's class, we will learn about the definition and scope of Operation Research. So let's begin today's class. Now, first definition is OR is a scientific method of providing executive departments with a quantitative basis for decision regarding the operation under their control. This definition is given by Morse and Kimball in 1946. Second one is OR is a scientific method of providing executive with an analytical and objective basis for decisions. This definition is given by PM is as Blackett in 1948. Now other is OR is the art of giving bad answers to problem to which otherwise worse answer are given. This definition is given by T.L. Sketty in 1958. Fourth definition is Operation Research is the art of winning war without actually fighting it. Now last definition, OR is a scientific approach to problem solving for executive management. This definition is given by H.M. Banger. Scope of Operation Research. OR is useful in following various important field. First one is in agriculture. With the explosion of population and consequent shortage of food, every country is facing the problem of optimum allocation of land to various crops in accordance with the climate condition and optimum distribution of water from various resources like canal for irrigation purpose. Thus, there is a need of determining best policies under the prescribed restriction. Hence, a good amount of work can be done in this direction. Second field is in finance. In this modern times of economic crisis, it has become very necessary for every government to have a careful planning for the economic development of her country. OR techniques can be fruitfully applied to maximize per capita income with minimum resources, to find out the profit plan for the company, and to determine the best replacement policy etc. Third one is in industry. Every heavy loss can be immediately become compensated by newly appointed a young specialist of OR techniques in business management. Thus, OR is a useful to the industry direction in deciding optimum allocation of various limited resources such as man, machine, material, money, time, etc. Fourth one is in marketing field. With the help of OR technique, a marketing administrator manager can decide where to distribute the product for sale so that the total cost of the transportation etc is minimum. The minimum per unit sale price, the size of the stock of meet the future demand, how to select the best advertising media with the respect to time, cost etc. How, when and what to purchase at the minimum possible cost. In personal management, a personal manager can use OR techniques to appoint the most suitable person or on minimum salary, to determine the best age of retirement for the employees to find out the number of person can be appointed on full-time basis when the workload is sessional, not continuous. Other field is in production management. A production manager can use OR techniques to find out the number of size of the items of the product in scheduling and sequencing the production run by proper allocation of machines. In calculating the optimum product mix and to select, locate and design the sites for the production plant. Last one is in LIC. OR approach is also applicable to enable the LIC offices to decide what should be the premium rate for virus modes or policies, how vast the profit could be distributed in the case of with profit policy, etc. This is your complete guide to mastering operation research. See you in next video where we will begin with development of operation research in India and main character of operation research. Till then, keep learning and keep optimizing.